sky. Oh my gosh. Oh, you get wet. Oh, okay. Gotta watch out for my camera here, guys. As it is getting wet here, just cover it. Right, first lift hill, guys. I'll try and keep my camera as dry as possible, as it's not waterproof, so gotta watch out here. Right, first drop, here we go. Oh my gosh. I'll keep cursed. Oh. 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 Huh. Okay. Yeah, camera's fine. It's only the back that was going to be waterproof, but seemed to have kept it. Okay. Alright. Now for the final lift hill. Ooh. It goes up quite quickly, I have to say. Ooh. Wow, that has to be on the loudest lift hills in the UK, that, on the log flume. Wow, that was so quick. We got up that quick, didn't we? Right, here we go. Our final drop now. Here we go. Oh, oh gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, I had to try and keep the cameras dry, guys, so it wasn't too bad. Log flume that. But here we are. We made it. Okay, right.